My dear all, through this video, I am going to discuss omission and editing. Now, here is given in the following passages, one word has been omitted in each line. Write the missing word along with the word that comes before and the word that comes after in your answer state against the correct blank number. Ensure that the word that forms your answer is underlined and the first one has been done for you. मैंने यहाँ पर एक आपको शो कर दिया बट अनदर यू हैव टू सोल्व एंड दिस इज कॉलम before okay and after that you have to write missing word, this is missing word, okay, and this is afterward, okay. So it will be better first you have to read the passage, read the sentence so that you can find out missing word, right? If I'm talking about first sentence, a man getting very impatient. Man, a man getting very impatient. Here, one word is missing and word is was. So was under missing word and before missing word is man and after missing word is getting. So under before man, then missing word is was and afterward is getting. Again, again and again he would, here is word mistake, peep. Again and again he would peep the. What is missing word? You have to find out so that you can understand easily what is missing. Read, then you can find out again and again he would peep the. Okay, so one word is missing here. So first word is before word is peep. Okay, before word is peep and missing word is into. You have to fill into and afterward is the. Clear? In the next, doctor's room to see many patients. Doctor's room to see many patients. Here is missing word. See many patients. See how many patients. So before word is see, before word is see, and afterward is many, and missing word is how. You have to fill. Well left. After a long time his turn came. After a long time his turn came. He got upset. Sorry, doctor. After a long time his turn. Time when. Here one word is mistake. Missing word is when. You have to write when and before word is time and after word is his. You have to write down also all column you have to fill. Clear? Came he got upset. Got up and said. Here missing word is and. Clear? And before word is up and after word is said. No, I don't have problem now. This long wait is cured headache. I am here only to thank you. I don't have problem. I don't have any problem. Any is missing and before word is have and after word is problem. Wait has cured headache, my headache, because in the next sentence I am here only to thank you. So cured my headache. Before word is cured, headache, and missing word is my. And this last sentence only to thank you. There is no any missing word. You have to note on your copy notebook so that you can make practice. And here on the screen I have given the text also so that you can write down easily and you can understand. Now, if I'm talking about second passage, then first has already solved. Vegetables can be. Fresh vegetables can fresh vegetables be cooked to perfection. Okay, and here is missing word is can. I have filled already can missing word, and before word is vegetables and after word is be. Next, in the microwave they retain there. In microwave they retain. They can retain. Can is missing here, and in before that before word is they and after word is retain. You can feel clear, right? Now this is they is before and this is after. Now food flavor retains color. Vegetables nutrients color. Here is missing nutrients and color. Now and is missing, and before word is nutrients and after word is color. Can be cooked in casserole dishes leads. String burns the cooking flavor. Dishes leads. Dishes with leads. With is missing, and before word is dishes and after word is leads. String once the cooking period. Once the cooking period. Once during the cooking period. Missing word is during. During. Right? I correct again. During. Now, before word is once and after word is the. Roasting boiling blacks can also be used. Roasting boiling blacks can also be used. Roasting or boiling. Both are different activities. So one can do or option. It will be correct. In missing or and before word is roasting and afterward is boiling. For some vegetables with ends. With the ends. Missing word is the. The is missing word. So before word is with and afterward is ends. Loosely closed, allowing a bit of a steam to escape. There is no any missing word. So on the screen I have given the text. You can note down. After that you can make practice also. Thank you so much.